Meaning of Guy's Hospital.
Guy's Hospital.
Guy's Hospital.
Guy's Hospital.
Guy's Hospital. Guy's Hospital is a large teaching hospital located in London, England. It was founded in 1721 by Thomas Guy, a wealthy businessman and philanthropist who made his fortune through the South Sea Bubble financial crisis. The hospital has a long history of providing healthcare services to the local community, and today it is one of the largest hospitals in the United Kingdom, with a wide range of specialisms including cancer care, cardiology, neurology, and trauma and orthopedics. Its staff are committed to the provision of high-quality care to patients, and it is renowned for its research and education programs.